Hey guys, it's me, Jen, and I'm here with a speed drawing for you guys. I am excited because it is Halloween. I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. I think it's so much fun dressing up, whether you want to dress up as something scary and spooky, which is so fun, or whether you just want to dress up as something cute like a princess. I think that it's all good fun, and I really enjoy Halloween. And my favorite Halloween costume when I was little was to be a witch. I should have drawn a witch. That would have been really cool. I'm kind of really low key liking the idea of drawing a bunch of different occult characters. So this one is the first one, and this is the only one I can get up before Halloween. I've never drawn a Frankenstein monster girl before. This is my first time, and that's saying something because I am old. But I'm so sorry that some of the coloring got cut off. I thought I was recording and I obviously wasn't. So I apologize for that, you guys, but there's plenty to watch in this video. So here's my inspiration. I wanted to create this Frankenstein's monster, like Bride of Frankenstein kind of girl, but I wanted her to be young. I wanted her to be fun and having a good time and roller skating across the beach or wherever she's roller skating. And I usually don't draw roller skates. So I had to kind of figure that out on the fly when I was drawing this, and hopefully they turned out okay. I actually meant to go in and fix up the laces, and that never happened. So, you know, it happens. I was really jamming to try to get this done for Halloween. I was working, burning the midnight oil, trying to get this done for you guys. But I hope you like her. I think she turned out absolutely adorable. I really, really love her vibe. I love her little outfit, and I love her little sunglasses, and I just think that she turned out so, so, so cute. And I like how she's like kind of a young teenager just bopping along, enjoying her life. And I'm really thinking about doing a whole series of occult girls. And I was going to do like a vampire and a zombie and maybe some other things. And if you guys are interested in that, let me know and I will do more for you. Well, actually, you know, let me not lie to you guys. I probably am going to do it anyway, but I would be more motivated to do it quicker if I knew you guys were interested. And I am using the Easy Poser app for the pose. So if you guys are interested, I have tons of tutorials on that app and I will link some of those in the cards for you guys. But I really like the way her little sunnies turned out. I like the little kind of, I was trying to go for like that mirrored vibe. And here I am doing my famous color it in and then erase it later. And I love this because it's kind of like when an archaeologist is chipping away to find the bone or the rock or whatever they're trying to find and they discover something amazing. I feel like this like little chipping away, I always think it looks so cool and I love to watch it. It's so mesmerizing to me. But when I'm looking at this outfit in black, I'm like, oh man, I should have made her outfit black. That would have looked so freaking cool. But I didn't. I made it pink because I wanted to have this whole fun LA pop sugar bubblegum kind of cutesy pinup-y vibe. So I didn't do that, but I might redo her in a darker version. Maybe, yeah, I think that would be fun. I might redo her in a darker version. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. And originally, I was going to have cherries all over her outfit because I thought that would look cute, like a cute little cherry print. And I tried that and I was like, bump this. That was it wasn't looking pretty. It wasn't looking cute. So instead, I opted to just have the cute little cherries on the side, cherry on top. So I like her. I like her little ponytail. I like, you know, unlike a lot of the drawings that I do, this girl is more interesting because she's like in motion. Everything is in motion. Her hair is in motion, her skirt's in motion, her little feet are in motion, the wheels are in motion. And it's a little different than what I usually do. I did want her to look a little bit more simplistic than my usual drawings. I wanted her to have a little bit more of like a cartoony vibe, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The area that I had the most trouble with was her hair. I really wanted her hair to be black, and I don't know why, but I have trouble drawing black hair. Any other color hair I'm really good at. I could draw it well, and you know it comes out nicely. But when it comes to black hair, I don't know, for some reason I struggle, man. The struggle is real. And I don't know if you guys are hearing that banging in the background, but the other Jennifer from Jennifer Esquire Creations is making some product. So if you guys hear that, I apologize. But just in case you were wondering what that banging was, I tried this approach at once and I just thought that looked really amateur and just horrible. So the good thing about speed drawings is, especially if you're an artist and you're like not that good and you're aspiring and trying to learn how to draw, not that I'm saying I'm a great artist or anything, but you guys will see how many mistakes I made, how many times I have to draw a line over and over again, how many times I color something and then erase it. And I don't know, I think sometimes, it's good to see that other people have issues as well, that like, not everybody gets things right the first time. And for me, art has always been very experimentational. Like, a lot of times I have an idea, like, I want to draw something. Like, for example, my mermaid speed drawing. I really wanted her tail to look very, like, holographic. And I didn't really know how to draw a holographic tail, but I knew I had this vision. And I would kind of play and play and play until I got something that made me happy and that I felt was like, close to what I was aiming for. And I think that when it comes to drawing and coloring and shading, sometimes you have to be willing to try things and just play, because that's where the magic happens. And of course, I wanted to have the streak in her hair because she's the bride of Frankenstein. And here's the bubble. Oh man, you guys, I was trying so hard to get this bubble in. Like, you have no idea. I really wanted it to happen and it just was looking stupid. I didn't feel like it, I felt like it took away. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if the bubble wasn't big enough or it was the wrong shape. I'm not really sure. But whatever the case may be, it just wasn't coming together. So I knew I had to let it go. Sometimes you got to abandon your dreams. Sad situation. But I decided to give her these cherry red lips. I think that they worked really well. Don't worry, I fixed her teeth eventually. Right now they're looking a little green. But and then I accidentally erased all of her stitch marks. Do you see that, you guys? All of the stitch marks got erased except for the ones on her neck. And all of those stitch lines were strategically placed for cuteness. So I have the ones around her neck like a little choker, and then I have another one around like a bracelet, and then like the other ones are on her knees, kind of symbolizing where I guess knee pads would go. So there was a method to it. There was a reason. And here you guys see me redrawing the stitches again. And I decided to put an extra little stitch at her waist. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, then please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel. If you're interested in any of those other drawings that I talked about or any other drawings, please do me a favor and comment below. I love you guys. Happy Halloween. You are the best. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Take care. Happy Halloween. Be safe. Get lots of candy. Smooches.